pit bike video. Built, not bought. So, when I got this bike, it was literally a rolling frame. And I stripped it down to the bare frame. Had the frame all powder coated. It is dirty at the moment. It is dusty as anything. I've had this for, I think it's about 4 years. Just upgrading little bits as I go here and there. It's originally a Stomp 120, but I stripped the frame down, had it chemically dipped, stripped, sandblasted, and then powder coated. Nice red, as you can see. It's got uprated Volt 770 front forks. It's got a D&M rear shock. Admittedly, the label has come off when it was power washed. Design it, ride it, sorry. 14-inch rear wheel with brand new maxis on it. 17-inch front wheel. Again, brand new maxis tyre on it. It's got a YX150 engine that I changed the head on. It's got the Parker engine dress-up kit on it. See if we can get around this side. There we are. It's just had a brand new carb fitted as well. It's got the alloy red pegs, gear lever. It's got the W Racing. Oh, I can't really see it. Let's see if I can get it around the other side. W Racing side cover, air filter and cover, red banjo bolts. This bike was built exactly how I wanted it. Anything that I could get for it that was red, I'd get for it. All W Racing levers, throttle, fuel cap, the other lever, all the yokes and clamps, W Racing. Again, it's got a red CNC brake pedal, oil cap, front hose clamp, red. As you can see, I went for the red theme basically. Banjo bolt down there, oversized wavy discs, red oil cooler. I recovered the seat. Admittedly, it's faded now. It was done a few years back now, so whatever I could get that was red and W Racing I brought, fitted on the bike. It's got the lower drop down pro taper bars. Starts, stops, runs. It was built from the ground up. All new nuts and bolts. I have got a new exhaust, W Racing again, with the red tip to go on it, but I haven't had a chance to fit it yet. I bought that around about 18 months ago and I just haven't had a chance to fit it. So that's going to be going on eventually. But yeah, so that's my one that I built from the ground up. And then one that I built for my son from the ground up. He wanted to go with the blue and black theme. So that's this one here. Blue wheels with blue CNC hubs, front and back. These are the small wheels, so it's a 12 and a 14, rather than my big wheel, which is a 14 and a 17. Again, the frame was stripped, sandblasted, powder coated, all blue pegs, filler cap, dress up kit for the engine, oil cooler, fuel cap. It's got the blue levers, quarter turn throttle, pro taper bars, slightly high raised with the grips. CW CNC machined hubs. Again, oversized wavy discs, front and back. Pull it out. Recovered seat. Gear selector, blue. Chain roller and guard, blue. Chain, blue. So yeah, this is a tidy little bike. Like I say, I built this one from the ground up, same process. Stripped the frame right down to the bare metal. Redone it all. Again, that's got a D&M adjustable rear shock. Again, labels come off for the from the power washer. Yeah, it's a very tidy little bike. Built, not brought. Same as mine. Built, not bought. I do have another frame, another engine, forks. I've got everything to build another pit bike, but it's going to be a bit different. It's not just going to be an off-road pit bike. It's going to be a supermoto pit bike. Again, all with a lot of trick red bits on it. Graphics, seat cover. I've got everything, just got to build it. Which is going to be coming up in a video eventually. So yeah, if you're interested in motorbikes, pit bikes, motorbikes, road bikes, subscribe, and I'm sure there'll be something for you that you like. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.